As severe weather events continue to affect Texas, homeowners in Dallas are increasingly looking for ways to safeguard their homes against the elements. One of the most effective upgrades they are choosing is the installation of impact-resistant windows. These windows not only offer protection during hurricanes and severe storms but also deliver a range of additional benefits that make them a smart investment for homeowners. Protection from extreme weather. Dallas homeowners have always had to contend with unpredictable weather, but recent years have brought an increased frequency of severe storms, high winds, and even the occasional hailstorm. Impact-resistant windows, designed to withstand these extreme conditions, are becoming a necessity. These windows are constructed with a special laminate layer that holds the glass together even when struck by debris or subjected to heavy winds, preventing shattering and reducing the risk of property damage. In areas prone to high winds and flying debris, these windows provide invaluable peace of mind. During hurricanes and tornadoes, the glass in conventional windows can easily break, creating openings in the structure that can allow wind and rain to enter the home. Impact-resistant windows, on the other hand, stay intact, preventing the elements from penetrating the interior and causing further damage. Homeowners who invest in this upgrade are not only protecting their property but also their loved ones, as these windows can help maintain the integrity of the building during a storm. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In addition to offering protection from storms, impact-resistant windows also help improve a home's energy efficiency. The unique construction of these windows provides an extra layer of insulation, reducing heat transfer and helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This is particularly important in Dallas, where summers can be long and brutally hot. By minimizing the amount of heat that enters through the windows, impact-resistant windows can reduce the need for air conditioning, leading to lower energy bills. Furthermore, impact-resistant windows are designed to keep warm air inside during the winter, offering year-round benefits. As energy costs continue to rise, more Dallas homeowners are opting for these windows as a cost-effective way to reduce utility expenses over time. With energy-efficient windows, homeowners can see a significant return on their investment through consistent savings. Increased home value. Homeowners are also discovering that installing impact-resistant windows can increase the value of their property. In today's competitive real estate market, buyers are more likely to be attracted to homes that are well equipped to handle severe weather. Homes with impact-resistant windows are seen as more secure, energy-efficient, and less likely to incur damage in the event of a storm. This can make a home stand out to potential buyers, increasing its market value and making it more appealing when it's time to sell. In addition to adding value, impact-resistant windows also enhance the overall aesthetics of the home. With sleek, modern designs, these windows offer a more polished and contemporary look than traditional windows. Available in a wide variety of styles and finishes, impact-resistant windows can be customized to suit the architectural style of any home, further boosting its curb appeal. Noise reduction and enhanced comfort. Another benefit that homeowners in Dallas are discovering is the noise-reducing qualities of impact-resistant windows. Living in a bustling city can mean dealing with constant noise from traffic, construction, and other sources. Impact-resistant windows are designed to provide better sound insulation, making it easier to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful environment inside the home. Whether it's the hum of city traffic or the sounds of a nearby storm, these windows can significantly reduce unwanted noise, enhancing comfort and quality of life. Durability and long-term value. Dallas homeowners are also drawn to impact-resistant windows for their durability. These windows are built to last, offering superior strength compared to traditional windows. Made with toughened glass and a specialized frame, they can withstand harsh weather conditions without showing signs of wear and tear. This durability means homeowners can enjoy long-term protection without worrying about frequent repairs or replacements. Additionally, many manufacturers offer warranties on impact-resistant windows, providing added assurance that the investment is a sound one. Conclusion. With the increasing frequency of severe weather in Dallas, homeowners are making the smart choice to install impact-resistant windows. Offering protection from storms, energy efficiency, noise reduction, and enhanced home value, these windows provide numerous benefits that go beyond basic window upgrades. As Dallas continues to experience extreme weather conditions, impact-resistant windows are becoming an essential part of home protection, providing peace of mind and long-term savings for homeowners.